All right. Okay. Okay. We looked into how to do this. Done. Implement. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Or yeah, whatever. Okay, that's fine. Implement. Look at the magic. Yeah, I'm gonna do that too. Okay. All right. Okay. Brain freeze. Let's see. Okay. So native effects. I'm thinking. I'm not super hyped about names stuff, but I'm thinking. I think we'll keep IO. We'll keep IO. And we will name this thing effect instead. Why not? There we go. And get rid of these. Oh, so it is. Okay. So here's what I am thinking. Because okay. We'll do this at the same time. Something like that. Okay. So one thing I'm thinking is that maybe, are you complaining? Oh yeah, right, of course. Is that maybe this should not be, like, should not implement the monad class. Is that, no, wait. I think you can, now this is interesting. Okay, interesting. Let's see. So I think, whoops, you can do this. But okay, we need to deal with this first. Right. Is this I don't think we, I don't know, do we care about this? I don't think we care about that. But this here, I think, yeah. Now, whoops, now, let's see, there we go. Is this, no, wait. So this is interesting. I wonder, I'm not sure if this is, yeah, because like this thing, let's see here, what did they do? Okay, right, okay. Right, yeah, of course. You cannot, you are preserving these effects. Now applicative is also, okay. Cool, but now, So, right, so what we're saying here is that okay, if M is a monad, then you can do this. Let's see. Yeah. Applicative, apply. If this is a monad, we're saying that yeah, we're saying this is a monad. Okay. Man, I think so. What I'm kind of thinking is that maybe IO should not be a monad. It should not be the monad class. It should still behave like a monad, but like, and that you'd have to use qualified. That is a way to do a temporary thing with the magic thing. So like, how did they do it? Well, I mean, this would not be, this would, yeah, exactly, it's just, but yeah, okay. Think. All of this is wrong. So like, okay. Oh yeah. There we go. And then can we surely we can do it, yeah, cool. Right. Well, actually you can be there, but I just want to be explicit here. Okay, but there we go. And what do you complain? Oh yeah, okay. Now okay. So okay, so I are pure, okay. This preserves the effect, and by the way, if I compile this, it's not gonna work, right? Yeah, no. Well, here I'm guessing, yeah. Yep. Okay, that's fine. I'm just gonna. Okay, and I think now, yeah, because it's not a monad, so yeah, applicative. Okay. Okay. So one approach. I just sort of think about the trade-offs here, because like, okay, I could go like, okay, let's implement I was thinking let's implement like all these type classes, but I realize bind that doesn't work. because it doesn't work because it it doesn't work because it has like, yeah, it has these. Okay, so that doesn't work. I'm pretty sure it's just, there's no way of, there's nothing to think about here. The effect has to have its own. I think that's absolutely fine, because then I think there's a trick we can do with well, it makes it very easy, I think, to do the magic. We like when I abstract away, or like remove rather, at compile time, all the binds. So okay. So let's, okay, I'm just gonna remove all these here. I don't care about this anymore. And I think we're just gonna keep this IO pure. Now let's get rid of, okay, all that. Cool. So I'm thinking that, let's think about how do we organize this as a module, because like this could be bind. It could be called bind, and this could be called pure. And yeah, that's fine. And we have like and this is for all like that. I'm actually like not sure how would this work. How would this work? You have an effect that returns a function, which means that, so like if you have like E0, E1, then this has to, yeah, it has to be E1 and then E2, and this becomes E0, E2, because you can't get the function unless you executed the effect. Okay, fine, let's do apply then. Apply. So we have, oh yeah, let's just, I'm not being pedantic, but cool. And here, we're gonna need all these. Okay, and let's see here. E1, E2, this becomes, there we go. Cool. I'm just gonna put them in the same order. There we go. So pure map whatever. Pure apply map bind. Okay. So we're not gonna have these. And now ergonomically, how would you, because you could do this. So let's see here. Okay. So let's say in here. So I'm just gonna, let's see. Is it effect, math effect? I think. And then, whoops. Oh yeah, yeah, there we go. Cool. This is also pretty cool, actually. Okay, we'll do that in a moment, but okay. So, and if I build this, it's all fine. Cool. Now, here's an interesting question. Should it be called effect or should it be called IO? I'm going to keep it as effect for now. But, okay. Let's do this. Because I want. I think it looks better. Yeah. Whatever. Now we have, okay, so we have some interesting ingredients here. We have some blue apples. Can we make blue apple pie? Now we're gonna need to do some things in here. So one thing I should do actually is I should like when I compile I should also compile the scheme stuff, because it also provides interesting compilation information, but we'll, I'm gonna write it down actually. Compile scheme okay. All right. So now, okay. So let's implement. Let's just do something here. Let's do console. I don't know. Print, maybe print. Sure. I want to print a string, and I want this. Now, here's an interesting thing. Let's see. I want the console to be available, and it will continue to be available. Also, oh wait, sorry, E, and also let's do this. Okay. Right. Sure. And this is effect. There we go. Now, was it? Did I do this wrong? Was it not data? Foreign import, sorry. Foreign import. There we go. Okay. So let's see here. So we got print there. Okay. So and actually we got utilities. I think this is how it is, right? Utilities. Oh yeah, prop, yeah. Yeah. Okay, cool. And actually, yeah, no, that's fine. Okay. Now, yeah, we'll do this. Display as, right. Put a new line after. Why not? Okay. So there should be like println actually. Where are you? There you are. Cool. Now, if we run this, multiple explode including bind at line 12. Oh, yep. Makes sense. Okay. So, pretty sure that's correct. Did we even have apply? We have apply map. Yeah. So, oh, I wonder if this is gonna. I don't think it's gonna like that because there is an apply in here. Same as map actually. But we can deal with that. And right, okay. So if I do this, it's gonna multiple definitions of apply and map in body. Yep. Okay. So utilities. What we'll do is. There we go. Cool. All right. Now, I think that we can do this. Oh, super interesting. Wow. So yeah, exactly. But that makes sense because we are saying this is allowed here, and this right. Okay, discard. Right. Okay. Discard would do what? It let's see here. What is the signature of discard? Do we have a discard in here maybe? No, I don't think so. Okay. Control bind. Discard. Oh, okay. It's the same as bind. Oh, no, it's already the same. Now, an export from main requires the following to also be really? Okay, cool. So, because the thing is, this allows for like this allows you to also like allow things. It would be cool to have like yeah, like what do you call it? Oh, what's it called? It's called an alias for this. But yeah. So now we're saying we're allowing console effects, and when we end, we still allow console effects. So let's do a effect. Where are we? In here. Let's do type. I'm just gonna call it IO1. I wonder. So can I do this? Just gonna put this in here. Oh yeah. So it's nice. Cool. Yeah, there's some neat, exactly like there's some neat, what do you call it? Yeah, run pure. There's some neat utilities here that would be cool to have. But let's see. Oh yeah, I just realized some really interesting utilities actually. But now, before we move on to implement those things, I'm curious. Can I do this? Let's do greeting effect. Oh yeah. Oh, super quick thing by the way. Sure. I just wanna double check here. Sure. E. So, like I can do this, right? Yeah. Okay, good. Cool. So, right. So I want, let me just write it out. So now we want this thing. We should probably call IO2, but whatever. Okay. And I need this effect, and then, and there's no like, yeah, of course not. Okay. Console effect, E, oh, oops, wrong, here we go. Oh, I'm gonna write before I forget. It's gonna be important. Lazy undefined. Great. Okay. So, right now we've added a greeting. Let's just do this. Sure. Let's just go with that. Because it would be awesome to write undefined there, but actually I want to do this here. So we need can you do this? Yeah, no, wait, sorry. Oh. Yeah, so here's an interesting question. So, and surely there's nothing like this, right? Yeah. Let's just, okay. So, how can we do this? I am now right. No, of course. Of course this shouldn't compile, because I am saying that I'm expecting this to be activated, like this effect to have been activated upward, and this doesn't activate. So that's good. But I need some way of coercing that to just assert that this is happening. So it could be, I was thinking it could be that is always, okay, we need some kind of axiom here. I need to be able to just claim that this happens. So we would need, I think we would need something along these lines, like intro hello. And what this does is, let's say, no, not two, sorry. I don't care what came before, but afterwards, hello has been introduced. So let's see. Now, would you do it this way? Is this how you would do it? First of all, what are you complaining about? Hello? Okay. I'm sorry, it's... Oh yeah, it's this procedure here. No problems. But I'm thinking actually what this is... This is not correct. I mean, I guess you could do like in this case it's correct, because otherwise you would need to do, oh yeah, we need to do that. That's interesting. Okay. Otherwise you would need to like have like sort of map. Yeah. Okay, let's do that. Let's map. So I take, let's see, how does that work? I take some effect. And I return, oops. Okay. So now, are you saying you want to do like a, right now, of course. Did I implemented that, right? In prelude, function, data, function. Nice. So surely this should work, right? And what are you complaining about? Unknown operator. What? Okay. Function. Oh, I didn't even export that. That's interesting. Okay. Pretty. There we go. I'm sorry. There we go. Cool. Okay. Great. So now we have something along these lines. Now we have a way to say this thing introduces. We can just assert that. I'm curious, is this a will this work in the long run, or is this just going to be annoying? I think we will probably want to do something like this. I think so. Not sure. Okay. Doesn't matter. We'll just keep this for now. We'll figure out how to do this. How this would work by using it. But okay, so now we have this thing. So let's say, for example, I say buy and so this is not correct, but because now, well, I mean, it isn't correct because now we want to put that here. So it might be that we'll find that this is not how you would implement. No, wait, you'd have to, right? Otherwise, how can you put constraints on? Because that's another thing here. I think we need lax hello we need, and what are you complaining about? Oh, really? There we go. And yeah. Okay. Unsafe. Okay. Unsafe. Cast. IO. Okay. And then we're going to just do this instead. This is going to be turned into 3. There we go. Great. Cool. And okay. So now if I do this, hello world. Yeah, so like the type errors are not easy to understand because I know what the issue is. The issue is that here now it's IO1, so we're saying it starts with this and ends with this. We have to do this as well. Now it doesn't matter which order, and you can't put it there, you have to put it there. It's like we're requiring that you clean up after yourself, basically. And we can have we can have a let's see, we can have a talk that we did before. I don't need this anymore. Talk, and the talk requires, oh yeah, it requires that you have greeted. And it ends with greeted. There we go. So now you can do this. Talk, blah, blah. You can't put it there, but you can put it there, and you can put as many as you like, and you can't put it there. That is great for working with the GPU later on. Okay. Okay, so what is the next step here? We basically done similar things to that we did last video. So I think this is sort of the basics of what we need here. Just gonna put this thing in here. Oh, this is incorrect. There we go. Great. Unsafe. Cast IO effect. Okay. Okay. All right. New type won't work. Okay. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna do. There we go. Okay. There we go. If I run this, discard right, discard. Library prim row not found. Huh. Oh, that's interesting. That's interesting. Can I, sorry, let's see. There we go. Can you do this, please? Say you can do it. You can't do that. Because okay, let's compile this. That's super interesting. Maybe it's a bug. Bin main. We import prim.row, but we're not using it. We got prim here, we got prim.row, okay. And main. Undefined. What? Sorry. That's interesting. What is this? Oh wait. I think wait, did we no, what is Okay. Prim. Apply prim by right. It's like yeah, it's like an empty table or something. It's just that's interesting. I'm curious. Okay, here's by one. I wonder if there's some interesting annotations on this. Is synthetic app. Okay. What, like, is synthetic app? What does that mean? And like undefined. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to look into reading a little bit about this synthetic app. Okay, so like in this thing, so is this used only there? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this is the table that is not used. There's some interesting stuff. Abstraction. Okay. And this thing. It's an application. What are we doing upstream? It's an application. Hello. Okay, that's interesting. Guessing synthetic app means. Well, I should be careful what I making assumptions there. I'm guessing it means. Actually, what we could do is just do synthetic app here, but that needs to be included, I think. I haven't seen this before. This is new. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay. Anyway, what was the issue? It says primrow not found. Okay. So of course not. Sorry. There we go. Row. Okay. We're importing that. It's never used. So the question is, would it ever be used? Models embedded in PureScript compiler, unlike prim, it's not important. Unlike prim, it is not important implicitly. Okay, automatically solve type classes for working with raw types. Yeah, Yeah, I'm pretty sure that it's safe to just like okay. This what I would like is to maybe I should look into understanding these. What's this? I wonder. Oh, interesting. Huh. I wonder. This would be really interesting. What is this? Okay. That's interesting. Okay. Super interesting. Didn't know about that. Okay. But I think I want to. I think I need to reflect a little bit on the path forward. Like, how do I deal with these things? Undefined, like where? I mean, is it in here? No, like. This is not the same. These are not the same. Undefined. I don't. Nah. Okay. Yeah. Well, I don't want to do anything clever with these just yet, but we obviously need to resolve this. Like, this is a. I mean, this is a compiler. It doesn't. Yeah. So I'm gonna write down what to do. I need to think about this one. So we're not gonna look into magic. I'm not doing that. We are currently implementing yeah. My brain is freezing right now, so I just need to let this simmer in my mind a bit how to proceed. So I'm thinking look into yeah, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna leave it there.